Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. We are going through examples on quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. We have another problem to solve together. Let's try to solve it. Two water tanks together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So let's try to understand this. We have a tank and then we have two taps. One is big tap and the other one is small tap. So two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. We know that if the diameter is more, then the tank will be filled very quickly. If the diameter is small, then the water coming is less, volume is less, so the tank will be filled in more time. So let us start with saying that let the time taken by large diameter tap to fill the tank separately is x hours. If that is x hours, then the small diameter tap will take how much time? It will take 10 hours more. So I can say x plus 10 hours. Okay, right. Now if the large diameter tap takes x hours, in 1 hour how much part of the tank will be filled? Let us understand that. Let us first do large one, then we will do small. Okay, large diameter pipe in 1 hour, how much it will fill? It will fill nothing but 1 by x part of the tank. Similarly, small diameter pipe in 1 hour, how much it will fill? Nothing but 1 by x plus 10 part of the tank. We also have been given that together they can fill the tank in 9 3/8 hours. We also have been given that together they can fill the tank in 9 3/8 hours. Can I say nothing but 75/8 hours? Okay, if together they can fill the tank in 75/8 hours, in 1 hour how much tank they will fill? Nothing but in 1 hour they will fill 8 by 75th part of tank. So in 1 hour they will fill 8 by 75th part of the tank. But this is nothing but equal to 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10. So let's write that. Now by equating whatever is given to us, what we are trying to do is equating the portion of the tank filled in, equating the part of tank filled in 1 hour, part of the tank filled in 1 hour. We will have large one is 1 by x, the small one is 1 by x plus 10. So together in 1 hour they can fill the tank by 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10. But this is nothing but equal to 8 by 75 as given to us. So this is the quadratic equation we have. We have to solve it using quadratic formula, and we have to find out the time taken by both the taps to fill the tank. Now let's simplify this. We'll take LCM. We'll have x plus 10 by x into x plus 10 equal to 8 by 75. If you simplify, we will have 2x plus 10 divided by x square plus 10x is equal to 8 by 75. We do cross multiplication. Now when you do cross multiplication, we will have 75 into 2x plus 10 is equal to 8 into x square plus 10x. That's nothing but 150x plus 75 tens are 750 equal to 8x square plus 8 tens are 80x. If I simplify, I'll have 8x square minus 70x minus 750 equal to 0. Can I divide by 2 to simplify that? I will have 4x square minus 35x minus 375 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We have to find out now the value of x by quadratic formula. So we know here a equal to b 4, b equal to minus 35 and c equal to minus 375. So let's go to the quadratic formula. So what is the equation we have? We have ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then x is given by minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So let's substitute that. X equal to minus b, that is minus of minus 35, that's nothing but 35, plus or minus b square. B square is minus 35 whole square minus 4 into a is 4, multiply that with c. C is nothing but minus 375 divided by 2 into a. 2 into a is nothing but 8. So let's simplify that. This is 35 plus or minus 35 square is 1225. Then we have minus and again minus. You multiply that, you will have plus. 4 into 4 is 16. 16 into 375 is 6000. 375 into 16 is 6000 divided by 8. So if we simplify that, we will have 35 plus or minus 6000 plus 1225 is 7225 divided by 8. So one value will be 35 plus or minus root of 7225 is 85. So we have two values now. One is 35 plus 85 by 8. The other one value is 35 minus 85 by 8. We don't consider negative value, so we consider the positive value. 35 plus 85 is 120. 120 by 8 is 15. So x is equal to 15. So the larger diameter takes 15 hours. Then the smaller diameter will take 15 plus 10, 25 hours. Now let's go back and cross check this. We got x equal to 15 and we got x equal to 15 plus 10, 25 hours. So one is x, then the other one is x plus 10. X plus 10 is nothing but 25 hours. So the larger diameter will take 15 larger diameter tap will take 15 hours, whereas the smaller diameter tap will take 25 hours. Let's cross check the condition given. Two water taps together can fill the tank in 9.3 by 8 hours. Tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one. We got it. Now let's add them. 1 by 15 plus 1 by 25. We should get 8 by 75 if we are correct. So let's cross check that. 15, 25 LCM is 75. 75, 15 5 times. 5 plus 3, that's equal to 8 by 75. So we are correct. Good to go. So the hours whatever we got are correct. So let's summarize this. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9.3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which the tap can separately fill the tank. All time and work problems, you know, we solve them by equating the work done. So what is the work done here in 1 hour? In a stipulated time, here it is 1 hour. So let us say the large diameter tap will take x hours. According to the condition, the smaller will take x plus 10 hours. We know that together they can fill the tank in 9.3 by 8 hours. That means together in 1 hour they can fill 8 by 75th part of the tank. That is nothing but equal to 1 by x plus 1 by 10. 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 10 equal to 8 by 75. So solving that, we got x value equal to 15 hours. Therefore the larger diameter tap will take 15 hours and the smaller one will take 25 hours to fill the tank separately. Let's do one more problem in the next session. Thanks for your time. Bye for now.